So I've just had my first day back at school and it was amazing. I really enjoyed myself and it was just lovely to be able to see my teachers and my friends from a distance. Just something that we haven't been able to do for so long. Even though it was weird with all these new restrictions and regulations, but somehow it didn't feel unnatural. Because I think we all just slipped back into the routine of things and we were just, I think, all determined to make the most of our time. And I think that just really helped bring a sense of normality back to it, despite the abnormality of the situation. And safety-wise, I felt completely safe. From when we entered the school, we had to hand sanitize, and then we'd walk in on the one-way path that had 2 meter social distance markers, and then we'd have to branch off on either one-way path to get to the easiest way to our class, following 2 meters of course. So I'd say it was completely safe. I felt safe. From what I've spoken to my friends, they felt safe, and it was just a really pleasurable and enjoyable experience, and I'm so glad I've had the opportunity to be able to go back, and I'm back in tomorrow, and honestly, I'm just really excited for tomorrow and to be back in school.